pretty girl, inside and out. And all them pretty boys wanna wipe me out.
Hi guys, Miso, Agogo, just coming to you for a quick tutorial on how to do the sponge method. I saw a couple of people do sponge methods. Those are little details I feel like they left out that I had to learn on my own. So I do got somewhere to be, y'all. So this is not going to be fast forward or anything. It's going to be just like it is. I already done put all kind of water, gel, oil, all kind of stuff in my hair. We can do that one later. But right now, like I say, I'm in a rush. I pick my hair out. But normally what I like to do, even after I pick it out, my hands normally be wet when I do this. I just go ahead and do this. And as you can see, it already started getting a little thing. But okay, I'm gonna get started, y'all. I got somewhere to be. So I noticed with the smaller sections, I like to use this end. Sponge, got it from a local beauty supply store. Alright, and I'm just going, you can do whichever way you want to do it, clockwise, counterclockwise, whatever you prefer. But it will change when you get to this side because just naturally it may feel awkward. And then you can switch up. Get a little closer for you guys. Y'all know this is my first time doing this, right? Okay. Not the sponge, but the video, the tutorial. And what I'm doing is I notice whenever you're dealing with short hair, small sections at a time, it's best to work in small sections at a time. So I pull a little small section. Now I'm going to flip it over when I get to the longest part of my hair. I don't know you're thinking long. Yes, this is considered long for a sponge. So I flip it over like this side. That's my long. That means it's time for me to get up out of here, y'all. So, not out of here, but it's time for me to go. So it is like everybody say, just don't do it too hard. But as I'm going, I just hold the pieces that I'm not using, I just kind of pull it away and work on little sections at a time. Sometimes I flip it, same side but flip it because the holes are small and sometimes it'll grab more. I do that if it's not twisting right. Sometimes I just flip it. Just do a little small section. And if it's not acting right, it just come off. So where you might be pushing like this, just come off a little bit. This is a trial and error thing, y'all. As you can see, we're 3 minutes in. I ain't put on no music. I usually listen to music while I'm doing this. It helps, but I ain't gonna have to deal with all that copyright stuff today. Like I said, I just pull a little bit. And if it act like it ain't twisting like that is, I will flip it. Try the other side. Because they have different size holes. So, the long and the front of pieces, I'm gonna have to do work. So because that's acting up, it's not doing exactly like I want, I'm gonna come off of it just a little bit. And not press down so hard. Like I said, from my experience, this worked better with short. The shorter, the better. sometime in the front or the longer pieces, you gotta go over those more than once. Now, I haven't found a product yet that I'm just like in love with that give me that shine out that curl. It was one I tried that I like, and I may do a tutorial on that one. But this is a quick run through, you guys, so you can see how quick it is, or can be. It's a rush job, y'all. And like I say, that ain't doing what I wanted. Twist it, and instead of pushing down hard, I come off like lightly. So I can actually catch the hair. I ain't doing all that talking, I ain't doing all that music, not today anyway, y'all. I know y'all just be wanting to see the process like I do. So, 7-minute hairdo, and if you put the, the products, whatever you're gonna use, a little bit of water, conditioner, gel, whatever you like. This is a quick, sometimes I go over the spots because y'all don't judge me, it's time for a tail up, okay? Let me get my brush out. Okay, I wanted my favorite brush, I don't see it, don't have time for that. Alright, and then I'll take a little pick. I'll do that, okay. My mom say a smile makes everything better. So I smile. Okay. I put these, y'all know we gotta do something about the ears as well. Y'all, this is such a day rush. But y'all know y'all be in real life, ready to go, hurry up, need something quick. And I am going to tie the edges down. Because I got put my shoes on and get some other things together. So while I'm doing that, my edges could lay down a little more. Then I'll brush my back again, and that will be kind of like the completed look. Remember, every look looks better with a smile. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see the black. Alright, you guys, I'm going to tie my edges down, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.